cement is not new in the country. You have lot of plants, more than 200, including the terminals and grinding sections. And we are the most new one, late entrant, new entrant. But the first time on Indian earth, we have brought a very eco-friendly cement manufacturing process, where hardly you can see any emission into the atmosphere. The Government of India, through Ministry of Environment and Forest, Delhi, and the State Pollution Control Board, stipulates that the pollution has to be limited to 50 milligram per annum cube, which is the standard. And below this is possible or allowed, above this is punishable, or the plant will have to be closed. We have right from technology gone for less than 10 milligram, 1/5 of the stipulation of Government of India. And we are happy to achieve less than 10 milligram, which was 8.2, and that is why the Green Award was given to us by Green Tech Foundation. See, it's true that Andhra is the largest cement producing state in the country, but not the eco-friendly product. We are the first one to give highest quantity eco-friendly product, which is Portland slag cement manufactured mixed with the slag. And slag also our own house, in-house slag, uniform, 1 day, 30 days, 360 days. We don't have to buy from various sources. So our cement gives the substitute for durable and cement and answer to various other problems in the cement which otherwise come in conventional cement. And that is why last 3 years all the RMC plant in Bangalore have converted to GGBS, our slag ground, instead of fly ash. Bangalore Metro is largely using our product, and now we hope the Hyderabad Metro also our product will be used through the contractor L&T. The Andhra because capacity is high, so it has to go far away. Some people, some manufacturers of Andhra are going to, you can say, up to Bengal, Calcutta. Many of them are going beyond Visakhapatnam to Odisha and Bihar, Maharashtra. We are also now started sending material to the Maharashtra because it's an eco-friendly product, and wherever there is a coastal area, this is the only solution that Portland slag cement has to be used. Any other cement, it will only reduce in strength of any construction. I must say that we have come out with a very superior quality eco-friendly answer to various alkali attack, seawater attack, or the chemical attack and rapid hydration which otherwise takes place. So PSC is the answer on all those problems. The conventional cement available otherwise prior to us is not the answer. Thank you.